Bitcoin knocking on the door of the $18,000. What? You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto a tope. We are so happy that Bitcoin is going up, and also we are so happy because we have new content of fun on the right. It's IA news. You have them in Spanish and also in English. You can watch them on fun on the right channel, but also, as I'm telling you, we have specific channels for AI in Spanish and English, and we are going to try to learn more and more about it. So as always, go to funontheright.com, where you have all the shows, all the free courses we have, and all the stuff you can use in the crypto world, and now the world of the AI too. Thank you to Jesus Lorente from CL Crypto. Go to his YouTube channel. He retweeted us telling us that we are doing good with the AI show. And also this tweet was created by ChatGPT. So use it in your daily homework, things you have to do, because it's a really advantage. And what's going on with Bitcoin? That's what you want to know today. Well, we are going up, and we were celebrating the third birthday of Bitcoin, which is the release of Bitcoin from Satoshi itself. And now today we celebrate that Hal Finney was running Bitcoin 14 years ago. Marcus Connor celebrating it with this figurine. It's awesome. Congratulations on that. And if you want to know about Hal Finney that we believe might be Satoshi Nakamoto itself, well, go to funontheright.crypto, where you have in special shows Hal Finney and other crypto all-stars. You learn about their lives, you learn about the crypto space. And comparing the situation we are right now with Bitcoin with the last thing we said in crypto news, now we zoom in, and I'm gonna tell you exactly the price of Bitcoin in the next days, which is crazy because I'm not an expert. This is not financial advice. I have no clue. I always miss my predictions, but I'm gonna try again. So I believe it's gonna happen the same thing it happened in the past. We're going to go to the line of resistance, which was in the time 21,000, and now it's around 18,300 something. So we're gonna go up and then down and then up. So green, red, green, and green, red, green is what we are going to have right now. So probably today, tomorrow, we'll start going down 4 days, 3 days, something like that. And then we start going up like 2 days as crazy till my dad's birthday, which is January the 17th. And there we touch the line and start going down again for good. What do you think about this speculation, this idea? Leave your comments below. Thank you very much. And let's have the ideas of a more expert guy. It's Bob Loukas, and he has a new 4-year journey. So 4 years has passed. It's crazy to think about that. We have videos about the 4-year cycle of Bob Loukas and some other ideas that take the halving and non-halving 4 cycles. So watch them all in the channel. And what's new of Bob Loukas this time? He's telling us that maybe we are close to the bottom, maybe we are in the bottom of the bear market, or maybe it's gonna be in a couple of weeks or months. He doesn't know. He doesn't intend to time the market, to time the special moment where the market goes down. But he believes that we are in a situation similar to this one. This was the end of the last bear market. So if that's so, he considers it's a good moment for buying some Bitcoin. Actually, he puts money where his words are, and he just bought. In the past, he makes us think between speculators and investors, and he just did like 6 movements in the past cycle, 4 buys and 2 sells. So he just did the last buy for this cycle. So right now he believes that we are going to go up in a similar structure as we had, maybe a little lower, but something like this. So for him, it's a good idea to buy now and do not try to time the very exact moment for the bottom, because maybe we have the reversal and you start just waiting for price going down and it just never happen again. So this is not financial advice. He just did that. He's a smart guy. He just turned 24 Bitcoin into 50. Rodri, you're doing something like that? No. Why? Because I will have my Bitcoin and turn it into half of the Bitcoin I own for sure. I'm not good at that. So be careful with that. More things that Bob Loukas is telling us in the video, link in the description, is that where it's going to take us this next bull run, and maybe we have a super cycle. What is that? Well, instead of 4 years, we have something like 2 years. So maybe in November 2024, we will have the next all-time high. Also, he predicts the next lows for the next cycle, and it goes around the situation we are right now, maybe lower. So for me, that was a crazy prediction, but maybe so. He's so good with this kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll try to take some benefits in the next bull run just in case. This will have to do a lot with the stock market and the behavior of dollar. Today going down right now, dollar, so Bitcoin keeps on going up. Here we can compare both things, and you can see a couple of days of dollar going down and a couple of days of Bitcoin going up. That's a good thing. If you want to know everything about dollar or expectation for the future, just watch the cross of death in dollar, that video that you have in Spanish and also in English in Fun on the Right Crypto, our international channel. Bitcoin following the path we draw. It was okay for December. Now it's been the same for January. So maybe we end around $21,000 in the end of the month. The market is in the green. The bubbles are crazy up. FLR going up and down. Yesterday it was like 80% down. Today is 12% up. And let's see CoinGecko, but now we are going to watch everything in the black because we are using the tip about Brave Browser we told you yesterday. It's a beta, it's experimental, but we are using it already. So everything is dark right now. The ones that yesterday, the last crypto news, were the best, like Mana, like Silica, etc. So be careful with pumps and dumps. And the best today for Flare Network, that it's crazy volatile right now, going up and down. So be careful with that. As I was telling you, it was down 87%. So people were like, where's my money? It just disappeared. And so sad with that. Anyways, Flare team happy because everything was a success. I mean, like 15% of the token is already in circulation. That's 100% of the tokens they were expected to airdrop. This is a random account. This is not mine, but I showed you just to know that there's this tool called xrpscan.com, where if you go down, you can click on Flare and you will see if you are eligible or not with the address you use with Ripple. This is my account. I'm not eligible because I bought XRP 2 years ago, but I didn't register an Ethereum address. So bad for me. Anyway, that wouldn't be a lot of money. You can watch it also with Ledger Live. They integrated Flare into Ledger Live. So I leave you a link below to this tweet where you can see, easy as always, you just install the app in your Ledger device and that's it. If you don't have one, you have also the link to our referral, so you will help us if you buy your cold wallet, Ledger Nano S Plus, X or Stacks. Do that and feel safer and ask me whatever you want, like JF Aguila that is asking us if you can have notifications when you have a new transaction. But I let you this article where you can see that you have to call the blockchain. So that's not something we can do right now. Maybe in the future. What you can do is go and check your Flare in MetaMask with the safety of the ledger. Be careful of scams. Do not use your private key, your password, etc. You don't need that. And these are those are the steps you need to do if you want to see your Flare on your MetaMask account. You need the new network RCP, and after that you connect it with the ledger and you put the Ethereum address where you have your XRP. Okay, so that's it. You have the link in the description if you want to do that with safety. Also, some more links with more information about it. If you had your XRP in exchanges, well, if you have it on Coinbase, as we told you, you won't have any flare today. It could take up to 6 months until you have it there. People so mad on Twitter about that. Coinbase, where's my flare? I want my flare. And if you use Huobi, you have it already there, maybe with some others too, Binance, etc. I just checked this one because I had a little bit of XRP there. But remember, a lot of food about Huobi. I don't know if it's food or it's good information that they are in a bad position right now. I wouldn't recommend right now any exchanges, but here you can see I have my flare and it's not a lot. So anyways, with Coinbase, with my Ledger, or with Huobi, with my XRP, I will have very little FLR. So there's a lot of hype, but probably just members from the team are making money with this airdrop. Anyway, if you have some money because of FLR, you have to put it in coin tracking and then pay your taxes. So this is the tool we use for that and for tracking our portfolio. The best one in our opinion. You have a 10% discount if you use the link in the description. And also follow them in Twitter, because there they have nice cats like this one that we use in Crypto News one day that will provide that will avoid you from going into scams. And also they have interesting articles, for example, about airdrops and what you have to do with them if you got them. More crypto news today. Why the liquid staking coins are going up, like Lido, etc. They went up like a day ago, now they're going down. But the new narrative is that they are going to be higher because of Shanghai. What's Shanghai? Well, that's the moment where in the POS Ethereum, you are finally able of moving your funds. So all the crypto related with that, because maybe you don't have the 32 Ethereum you need in order to run your own node, well, all of those solutions are going to go up. Some people believing this is a nice going up. Some people believing that this is a buy the rumor, sell the news. So maybe in spring, you have to sell all these coins because they will go down. More news. Twitter, Elon Musk is preparing to launch a new coins future. This will be for content creators. And we are not happy because we don't want a new coin in Twitter. We want Dogecoin. We want Ethereum. We want Bitcoin to be just used in the platform. So Elon Musk hear us and help us there. In the market, we're still in fear 26 today. And of course, Binance always in our mind. Binance minted at least 1 billion of Binance Spec BUSD that was not backed with the corresponding Paxos used BUSD collateral. Now they say they are okay. Okay, that was not okay, but now we are good. But who trusts them anymore? For Coinbase, bad news too. They said goodbye to around 1,000 employees, even though the stock went up. So bad news for Coinbase with less and less people working there. Bad news for Gemini and Genesis. Winklevoss brothers now accusing Genesis, DCG, and Barry Silbert of fraud. We'll see about that FTX domino effect and where it brings us. And some good news, Jack Dorsey working on integrating Bitcoin Lightning into Square POS terminals. That's a good thing. Also good thing that the giant of internet Wix is adding integration for crypto payments. That's so cool. Ethereum going up. Now we draw the moving average of 200. Awesome if we go there, that would be around 1,400 for Ethereum. What do you think about that? Good news for Litecoin going up. And again, the next week is going to be a very interesting moment to see if Litecoin goes up and down, leading the market till its new halving. What about Binance Coin? Well, it's still going up right now. Everything okay. Good news for Cardano, Nino. Now we have a new hospital that accepts ADA. So we had a hotel, now a hospital, little by little, with the monopoly of Cardano, we're going to conquer the world. In the DeFi ecosystem, we are up from $30 billion, which is good. And we have some more news. Rubius in Spain, the famous YouTuber, now with trouble with the tax payments. He moved to Andorra, remember, and he created a company. Well, they're telling that that's not a good way of doing things, because he didn't need that company, so he's trying to create that for avoiding some taxes. So I don't want to give you my opinion about this, because it will not put me in a good position with the Spanish government and the tax recollectors, etc., etc. But you can write me your opinion in the description. And also, you have to know that I didn't read this piece of information. I heard it because I used this application, this website called ttsreader.com, where they will translate you into voice the text you want. Remember the writer that advised me of using voice for the mobile? Well, I found TTS Reader for the PC. And also remember to use Audible. I read around 1 book per week and see how good I'm doing. So if you want the same for you, link in the description. You don't have to pay for a month or more, and you are helping the channel. Thank you very much. And thank you everybody for sharing, for example, the postman that sent us this tweet from Catalina on Tech. We didn't hear from her in a long time, and now she's telling us about El Salvador. Remember the piece of information we shared, that the teachers are teaching Bitcoin to the students, and here we can see reality about it's so good to know. And you have some homework today. You need to know Joe Nakamoto. Congratulations, Joe Nakamoto, on your YouTube channel. This is something I intend to do in the future. I want to do this for a long time. I've been waiting, and you are doing it. So congratulations. The idea is a channel where he goes wherever is a Bitcoin opportunity, maybe an event, or maybe a country like El Salvador, or maybe a place like Gibraltar, where everybody knows, or they have better solutions for Bitcoin in terms of regulation or adoption. He went to El Salvador, he went to Gibraltar, and some other places. He is so nice guy, awesome dude, and congratulations again on your show. I'm following you. I watch all the videos, and I myself want to do this in my channel in the future. So thank you for inspiration, for the inspiration and the motivation you are giving me again. And thank you for everybody sharing your cats, like Bloque Vidal, that is telling us that you might be a newbie in the crypto space, like this guy that just falls into a scam or whatever, and then you have a holder. So maybe you have just one sticker, maybe this is just your first bear market, but after a time you have more bear markets, and you have a lot of scams, and you have a lot of shit coins and everything, and you are not so scared anymore. You are a stoic crypto holder. What about this one? This one is holding some scams like the Gollum. Gollum, those are my crypto. Be careful, Gollum. We have no more time today, but if you want to listen to this in Spanish and learn, you have this very same video in Spanish in Fun on the Right YouTube channel. And if you want more in English, just wait in Fun on the Right Crypto for more news and tutorials and whatever we do here. Fun on the Right, health, money, love, peace in your parties. The best is yet to come. Crypto a tope. To the moon!